Easy to make crispy lechon kawali. Boil the pork. And when the albumin shows up, discard the water and wash the pork. Fill it again with water. Pour soy sauce and patis. Add 2 star anise. And then add salt and pepper. Add onion and garlic. Now, put the cooking pan on heat. This is how it looks like afterwards. Now, lightly score in a crisscross style. It's frying time! First, turn on the stove and then fry the pork. The recipe, the ingredients: 1½ kilograms of pork belly, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 pieces of star anise, 1 teaspoon salt, whole pepper, 1 piece of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of patis, a fish sauce. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Pachama Chapa Cooking to be updated. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!